Yes, we're looking at another trend that has been identified by Firstbuck, and the trend is jewelry cleaner. And we all know that it's really important to keep your jewelry clean. So this is why there are machines on the market, and there's also some liquids that can help you with this. And as you can see, the margin on these items is not super high, but there's a lot of demand. If we look at the reviews, we can obviously use Jungle Scout to look into this further. And let's scroll on this page. So, as you can see, there are some solutions, but I don't like the branding that much. I mean, this looks quite old fashioned. I don't know. I think there's some opportunities if we come up with a really fancy brand and are able to find a new way to market it. So there you have it. The trend is jewelry cleaner. Check out firstpack.com for more and have a great day.